everyone, welcome to, we're backwards here, sorry. Welcome to Create, Decorate, Educate. I am Amy.
And I'm Hilary.
And we are going to be making some candy for our It's Sweet to Be Kind bulletin board tonight. So I am so glad you're here. And comment to us where you are from. We are in kind of that Baltimore area, so it's freezing here.
We actually didn't have any school today because of the snow, but there was no snow. So we're not sure why we didn't have school, but we didn't have school today.
We totally could have just gotten away with a delay, and they didn't do that.
No.
It was a delay at first.
Right. It was a delay, and then they changed it to close because it was supposed to be icy, but the roads are dry and there's no ice out there, and so now we're probably never going to have another snow day again.
Or you're going to be going till July.
Correct. One or the other. Either way. Yeah.
Right. So around here, and I think a lot of other people had snow days too. I think like the Midwest, not the Midwest, the Kentucky and all of them. I think they had snow also. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to go make some candy for this bulletin board. All right, so I am going to be using some wrapping paper. Just wrapping paper I got from the Dollar Tree. It's junky wrapping paper, but it's good for this. I wouldn't suggest using this. So this is a roll of cello wrap. I got that there too. Just some pool noodles and wrapping, no, toilet paper rolls. Wait, and there's one more thing. Yep. Some of these styrofoam balls. I got these from Hobby Lobby at 50% off. I think Christmas time. They're $3.99, and so I got them for $2, and they're $2, and they're styrofoam balls. So, ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Because you're gonna do some of this, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. You're gonna choose your. Let's work on. I did forget one thing. I think. Okay. Here's my string. Ribbon. We'll just use ribbon. Okay. Got it. And some ribbon. All right. So, would you like this or this?
Small one first.
Small one first. Okay. So this is a toilet paper roll, and I stuffed it with like grocery bags so it would keep its shape. So we're gonna put.
That's clever.
Yeah, because if not, right, it would collapse, right?
Oh, look at that.
Okay, so you're gonna think like Tootsie Roll. Okay, so you have that one. I'm gonna use this. I don't need anything inside. It's stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna choose your paper.
Okay, this one?
Yep, I'm gonna use this one. All right, so this is what you're gonna do. You have your tape?
I do.
Okay, so what you're going to do is put your your cylinder in the middle. Okay, so yours is a lot smaller, so you probably don't need all that extra, but you're going to want extra on either side. Okay, and then you're just going to roll to cover it. That's it.
So should I cut mine a little bit?
Yeah, I would cut. I would actually just cut it. Cut in half.
Okay.
Yeah. And you're just going to roll it until it's good. And then roll and cut. Roll and cut. And you're just going to take some. Uh-oh. Got it. Making candy on a Thursday night. Okay. So then you're going to take your wrapping paper, you're just going to secure it with a piece of tape. And that's it right now.
Okay.
That's a perfect size.
Yep.
Okay, so this is what you have so far. Our camera's opposite. Okay, next. Time for that clear cellophane. Thank you. Okay, so I think people use this for like baskets or stuff. I don't know. I don't even know what people use it for, but this is what I use it for. So it's just clear, like almost like saran wrap, but much thicker. Okay, so it's plastic. Okay, so what you want to do is you want enough to roll to cover it. One time, and then just like what you did.
Okay, just one time around?
Just one time, you know, just so the whole thing is in it. And then you're gonna cut it apart. Like, this stuff can be obnoxious, I'm just saying. Oh, wait, you have...
Oh, no, I lost my scissors. Here they are.
Fine.
I thought this was silver. I had no idea it was clear. I don't know.
What's happening, Mike? Okay, so then you're going to take it. I'm actually going to line it. You're going to line it up.
I actually need a redo, so let me...
Okay. So you're going to line it up with the edge here. Now, this edge over here is sticking out, so I'm going to trim it a little bit. So I just want it to line up with that edge. We're a little over. Doesn't matter. Cut off this little part here. Right? And I'm going to tape it down. So roll and roll. So I like this. If you had like a birthday party, I love this for a birthday bulletin board. But if you had like a kid's birthday party and had like a candy theme or Candyland, this would be so cute. And the kids can help you. And it's like, it's just easy and fun decor. And you can get the wrapping paper to whatever suits your fancy.
Okay, just one piece of tape like that. Do I need to trim it?
Yeah, so
Mine's
trim it
small.
just down to the, yeah. So see how hers is so she's just going to trim it down to the edge.
Okay.
Yeah. Mine has no touch. And then we're going to get some ribbon.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to need 2 pieces of ribbon, right? I don't know how long they are, but that's what I'm going to use.
This is for me? Or
Yes,
for you?
that's
Okay.
for you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll use the same. Okay. 1. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. Okay? What you're going to do, it's kind of like the Tootsie Roll method. So what you're going to do is you're going to wrap it around and tie it off. Get as close to, like mine's a noodle.
I see.
So get close to that and cinch it as hard as you can. Okay?
Tying a really tight knot.
Yep. Or a bow, whatever. So really tight. Okay? And then I'm just going to like a bow. All right. That looks cute. I'm going to trim this. So this is one end. Okay?
That's cute.
If you don't have to have the bow showing. Like you could just use a rubber band. Actually, I don't know about a rubber band, but I would use maybe a piece of string or something if you don't want the bow part. But I mean, why not?
Either way.
Okay, so I follow this. I just really get a kick out of her posts. I follow someone else. I follow someone. I think her name is. I feel like her name is Emily on TikTok. And she's hilarious, like hilarious. And she calls this the Tootsie Roll method. But she wraps like candles, like anything round, jars, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is, this is the way to wrap it.
I'm having a little trouble.
Right.
I think I made my ends too short.
Oh, because it won't go far
Because it
enough
won't
down?
go far enough down.
Okay.
I need
fine.
help from the expert.
I
That'll
think
be
it's
you.
fine. This is cute, the little circles.
Yeah.
Anyway, so she has like the funniest, so yeah, perfect.
there we go. Okay.
With the bow. Yeah,
Yep.
perfect. So she has like oh my God, she calls this the Tootsie Roll method. And she, we were talking, like this is how she wraps candles. I said that, like sweatpants, if you roll something. And the only way that this works is because of the cellophane. This is like the most important.
That's cute.
If you didn't have the cellophane, this would rip. It would just rip
I
off.
see. Because this paper is very thin.
Very thin. It doesn't matter. Even if you used whatever, even if you used good wrapping paper, it would rip. All right.
Okay.
One down.
Cute.
Yeah. All right. You want to go on to something a little bit more complicated?
I do.
Okay. This just takes a lot of tape. All right, let's do the small. Let's do like the round candy.
Okay.
So basically, all right. So choose what you want for this one.
This time I'm choosing this one.
I'm gonna choose this one. I don't do these. Okay. So what you want to do, and let's face it, it's gonna be sloppy, and that's fine. Okay. So what you want to do is wrap this up so you don't see this showing anymore, and just tape it up.
Don't see the styrofoam ball showing?
Right. And it's just gonna be sloppy, and it's gonna look sloppy, and that's fine.
Okay, we have more tape.
I thought we had 2. Did we?
No, I don't know. Okay, we'll share.
Thought we had 2. I don't know.
Are we using all the wrapping paper or just what we need?
Just use what you need
Okay.
to make it work. I don't know.
Okay.
And I don't know any tricks to wrapping this thing at all. I have no tricks to that.
Okay.
So I think this would be really cute at a birthday, if you were having this theme for a birthday party. It's so easy and so festive, I think, you know?
Yep.
And it would also go well with like the sweet work bulletin board that we have that like has all the candy.
Is it supposed to
display.
have edges like the other one did?
No, it's not gonna have edges.
Okay.
You're gonna, like, all this is gonna go down.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna cover it. So it's a circle. Yeah. Actually, I guess you could do either way. I wonder what that would look like.
So everyone who knows me knows that I'm the worst wrapping paper. This is not my thing.
I love wrapping presents.
And I'm done wrapping a present. It looks like a 2-year-old did it all the time. That's why I have my husband help me.
Look, but what is it, dear?
This is because it looks like this. This is
Well,
not
that's
very
okay
pretty.
because you can't. Well, you can't. That's fine. It's fine. Like with this one, but aren't you like wrapping boxes like squares?
Yes.
It's
Just
just so hard.
it doesn't work. I've tried. Me wrapping presents
You
is
just watch a YouTube
not-
video.
That's true. I could do that. My daughter does that for everything. She wants to learn how to do something. She goes on YouTube
That's
and
exactly
watches
right.
the video.
That's right.
You needed to learn how to do this smoky eye, fancy eyeshadow for cheerleading. She went on YouTube, figured out how to do it, and did it all by
That's
herself.
awesome. Like, don't you like that's?
Yeah.
Wait, could you just imagine if we had that when we were younger?
Right.
Who knows what we would have become? Or just how about the internet for your homework?
Right. That's another thing.
Could you imagine?
So my mom's on, and she says she'll send my father to help me with the wrapping. Thanks, Dad.
Oh. So he's the rapper in
He's the rapper in when I was
your
growing
family
up.
too. Oh my
Yep.
god, I love rapping. Okay.
Yeah.
So it looks like a hot mess, but it's fine because we're gonna make it gorgeous.
Okay.
Okay. So same thing. Get the cellophane out. So you're gonna need far less. And you want this one you want some edge to it. Like you want it to come out.
Okay.
I don't know, like 5-6 inches or something. Cut. Again, you really can't make a mistake. Well, maybe you can, but. All right, I'm going to use this ribbon. Because why not?
Okay. Cellophane.
Okay, so cellophane. Cut your ribbon. Cut 2 pieces of ribbon. Which one would you like?
I'll take the red. It's fine. I'll take this.
Okay.
I'll take the black one.
Sure. So 1, 2, 1 for each end. Yeah. Okay. These videos will be on our will always be on our Facebook page, but we also have a ton of videos on YouTube. So I'd love for you to check us out on YouTube and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Because I will be taking these videos as well. and putting them on YouTube. So we'll always have them.
And here is the link to our YouTube channel. It's in the chat.
Also, we're going to be putting this candy on this bulletin board on this shelf. There is a video in YouTube on how I made a shelf for the bulletin board. That's actually in the Let It Snow video. So if you check out that video, it shows you how to make a shelf for the bulletin board, and that's where this is going to go. Okay, so then you're going to
just tape it around?
Just tape it around,
okay?
That's it. And then you're just going to tie it just exactly the way you did before, as tight as you can.
Oh, that's cute. Mine are a little longer.
Yeah, it's like
side,
a little.
I can cut them.
You what? It doesn't matter.
Oh, this one's much better.
Yeah, more edge.
Yep, more edge this time. That's cute.
Oh my gosh, I keep getting. Oh my god. Goodness gracious. Okay. So you're in a second. Black and white's cute. So you use whatever ribbon you want.
Oh, it looks like a big candy ball, gum ball.
Right?
It's so cute. Yeah. I need to tie my bow.
Yep.
And we're also going to be going live twice a week. We've done that for the past 2 weeks. And for you to get notifications that we're going live, all you need to do is hit the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner on our business page and allow notifications. And every time you go live, it will give you a little alert, and then you just press it, and then you can be here with us.
You can also just tap the screen right now on one of us, and you'll see the 3 red dots opposite of the live button. It's on here too.
Okay.
Yeah, it's right on here too as well. So yeah, and if you could subscribe to this page with the Create, Decorate, Educate with the lowercase letters, that would be better because that is where we go live. There's a lot of people from the right here. Trim the edges like a little, just a little. Yeah, and then they're like right. So. Put the candy. We could just do it like candy there. How cute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and just lean it up there. Perfect. I love it. Ah. That's okay. Mine's not. Yeah, this bulletin board is a kindness bulletin board, so you can use this all year round. Sorry, I'm messing up the place.
I am.
Yeah. So if there's anything, oh my gosh, I can't seem to. There we go. So if there's anything that in particular that you would like to see, this is what I'm gonna do. We'd love for you to write it in the comments so we know. We'd love to feature anything. Eventually, we're gonna start having some theme weeks, doing desk decor and all kinds of
Lauren
stuff.
says hi. Hi, Lauren.
Hello,
Thanks
Lauren.
for coming.
All right, there we go. So everyone can take a shot and look at behind us.
Yep.
Yeah,
Candy for your It's Sweet to Be Kind bulletin board.
Yeah. I love it. All right, so thanks so much for tuning in and watching our video. And we will see you next week.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for coming. Oh, Jason's here too. Hi, Jason. Thanks for coming.